Hey, look at this. It's a class 1 rapid. Haven't seen one of those for a couple miles. I'd say everything in there was 3s today. Higher waters, I could see some of those being 4s. Or maybe not even high water. Maybe a medium flow rate. Or they didn't get washed out. Yeah, maybe it's a 2. I had to do a little maneuvering. Sweet.